guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been following along, you know that we will be moving shortly in the next couple of weeks, so it's about time to get started on decluttering the house and just trying to pack things, or at least have them ready so that when we do need to go and pack them, we can just take the things and put them in boxes and not have to sort through them and declutter at that time. So that's what I'm going to try and do today. We're in Kailey's room, as you guys can see. So I'm going to go through her clothes and just pull out all of the things that she has outgrown, put them off to the side, maybe for like a garage sale or just to go ahead and donate them. But I need this space cleaned out, and then once we tackle the clothes, I want to go through all of her toys, because as you guys can see over here, they're all over the place now. Like, these bins used to be organized. She had like one thing in there, like one specific item in there. She had blocks there, but now it's just off of the ground pretty much is the thing. They're just all up in there. So I want to go ahead and declutter, get rid of anything that she doesn't play with anymore, and make room for all of the new things that she has been getting for her birthday, that we'll be getting for her actual birthday party celebration, Christmas, and all of that stuff coming up. So let's go ahead and get started. So this used to be my desk, and I just have used these drawers to organize all of her clothes, but as you can see, they are full to the brim. So all of these are her socks. I need to go through the ones she has outgrown, and then shirts and all of that stuff.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame since
all right, so here you guys can see I made a bunch of little piles. I went through all of her clothes, so jeans, shirts, and all of that. Well, the things in here, we still have the closet, but all of this stuff over here is things that I need to either sell or donate. I no longer want them. But then like these little leggings and these like Nike shirts, as well as these shorts over here, these denim shorts, I want to go ahead and just store in case we ever have another little girl. So I'm going to go ahead and put those in that bin and label it so we can put it away.
how could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
So the drawers are pretty empty for the most part now. Here's her socks. All of these are like knee-high socks, so I guess all of her normal ones must be in the washer, because it looks like my daughter doesn't even have socks. But now at least we know what she does and doesn't have. Two like shorts for dresses. This drawer was full, now it's completely empty. Another empty drawer. Then down here, these are her shirts she has to work with, and then some of her shorts and leggings, and then 2 pairs of jeans. Baby girl needs new clothes, but like I said, it seemed like she had a lot. Now that I've actually gone through it, I know exactly what she needs.
Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. On the
Okay, so this is what the closet ended up looking like. It is much better than it was. At least these aren't back to back. You actually have some space in between. So now all of this clothes actually fits Kailey, and I was able to get rid of all of these hangers or empty them out actually. So that's good. New clothes can go on here. And then over here I was able to fill that box as well as that box with clothes that just didn't fit Kailey anymore. And then I saved this whole bin of 12 to 2T. So that's a lot of progress. Over there you can see all of the hangers that I removed, and I also swapped out just any clothes that were hanging on those like store hangers and changed them over to these so that they would all match. So very proud of the progress so far.
Oh, won't you tell me how you do it? Now I'm high, but the buzz in the room, surrounded by people I couldn't care, yeah. But nobody but you sway, move me now, baby, dance, give into the moment. With you, under street lights, right next to the skyline. With you, yeah, you.
Alright, so today's actually the next day, and I didn't get to declutter Kailey's toys yesterday because I honestly was just over it and I got busy doing other stuff. But today we are going to just go ahead and get this done and over with so we can have the complete decluttering of Kailey's rooms. And this is what we are working with here. These bins used to be all neatly organized. There was like one set of toys in this one and then this one and like that. And as you can see here, like here she has the doctor stuff. This is also doctor stuff. This should be in here. And she has spoons over here, which should actually be over there in her little kitchen. And just random things that are no longer organized, as well as things that she has obviously outgrown, like this thing that she's had since she was a baby. It's supposed to like help the babies crawl or whatever, so she doesn't need that. And anything else like this, because I'm trying to get rid of most of the electronic stuff because they're just noisy. It bothers me. You have to keep buying batteries. And if you guys watched Aiden's birthday vlog, he got a set of musical stuff that they can actually play instead of just pressing a button and everything being done for them. So I know this method looks a little crazy and it just looks like chaos, because honestly it always gets worse before it gets better. But I just dumped all of the toys out from the bins. That way I had the bins empty and ready to go for the toys that we will be keeping. And then that way I'm just going through the big pile, looking through everything, trying to put them off to the side by category. So that is my process. I like to go through every single thing. That way I know if a particular toy is missing a piece, and if it is, then I'm going to go ahead and get rid of it. If it's complete and I still like it and the kids are playing with it, then we're just gonna go ahead and keep it. I am almost gonna be done like this. He is literally going in there and taking all the little balls out, so that's very great.
This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
All right, so we are finally done. This took quite a while, but I managed to get it done. As you can see here, now I have the lacing beads, some magnets. In this little Ziploc bag, I kept all of the doctor stuff because Kailey is very into pretend play these days, so I just kept that. She has a little bit of her makeup, or the pretend makeup that is, and some of the clothes for her dolls, her butterbean stuff, Legos. A few of these electronics, I really would like to get rid of all of them, but they are somewhat educational, especially like this for the alphabets and learning numbers and stuff like that. So I just kept them for now. We have some blocks over there for building, lots of little balls they can play with. On the bottom shelf, we have a few other toys, specifically more so for Aiden. These are like all the little O-ball stuff and some little toy cars there. Also this coin dispenser thing that they can start learning to count. I'm missing 2 of these, but I'm pretty sure they're in Aiden's room. He's just taking a nap right now, so I don't want to go in there and wake him up. But yeah, it looks much better than how it was. At least now it's organized. It doesn't really look like I got rid of a lot, but I actually was able to fill up this entire box of toys, and I'm very happy about that. I can just, like you see there, I labeled it for the garage sale. We can have one and just get rid of these toys, make a few bucks. Over in the kitchen area, I have Kailey's little kettle here, a few of the baking supplies. I just organized the little stand mixer, the little scale, and I keep saying little, I'm sorry, I'm just so used to it. But down here, also her baking stuff. So like some eggs and her cake that she had not seen in a while, assembled this way because she had the pieces all over the place. I finally was able to put it back together. And then the little silverware in here. Over in this other door, I kept some plates for her to play with, as well as some little cups and mugs, and then all the little pans down here. That is going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and maybe got some kind of a motivation to declutter a space of your own, or maybe just organize it or something like that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Like I said, we will be moving in the next couple of weeks, so very soon. Is coming up so fast. So if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, as well as the little bell next to it. Make sure you select the all option there, so you are notified of every single upload. That way you do not miss out on all the new content coming your way. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you back for the next one. Bye guys.